Cultures die if not everyone is part of the culture. If nobody reads it, nobody will know it. Are you happy with just having few people appreciating what's left? Or do you want it to thrive? When something has value, people would want to see it. So if people want to see it, then economic capital, which is really necessary to produce films, comes in. And then political capital, which is where policies come in. But that's really what's lacking. We don't have economic capital, we don't have political capital, because why would a businessman invest in a movie if they don't know it won't make money? Our filmmakers need to really think about writing movie proposals as a form of business proposal, sadly.
Kanina, kantidad na siya 7 million. Kanina, bara-bara talaga ni. Ato sa uno, kay mga 7. So, mahal kayo.
They want to really support it. But in terms of the budget proposals and the priorities, kay daghan sa biyag concerns ang city government, it all depends upon how siguro they would feel, how essential, and how, ino na lang natog how the material would have a good benefit for the citizenry.
I've been to Oriente, but they never showed a film that was very Cebuano.
Sa katong usop kayong Tagalog ita. Kay Home of Star Cinema man ni diri. Star Cinema, Viva, mga production ba?
There maybe once or twice every year, kanang ingon na ba? Very little. But I believe the Cinematheque that we are talking about really is the one would cater to mga old Cebuano films, pictures, ingon na ba? Actors and actresses. The inside story of those films. You know, there cannot be anything new unless you solve the problem of the past.
Highest ang Philippine cinema niyato in terms of taxation. Kaya I don't know if they consider it a luxury or whatever. Basta mo sa local, if they give, let's say, exemption or kinaingno na lang nato nga support or siguro na mga subsidies or assistance, it would be a big help.
We will have to wait for an honest-to-goodness government. Because Cebu, of course, they should not skip Cebu. If they can do it in Davao, why not Cebu? Cebu is a melting pot of different people. Dapat lang Cebu.
In terms of cultural value, that's where the Cinematheque comes in. But when you think, Manggod, in terms of whether a particular product or a particular cultural artifact has value, it has to have value not just at the level of a niche audience. It has to have value for everyone.
If there is, of course, a good dialogue on the leaders, no? I think this Cebuano film industry would be worked out properly, especially if the national government, like the Cinematheque, support the FDCP. If they notice also that they're very encouraged that we have these good programs through the dialogues with the different leaders, disregard differences, disregard personalities. They must have one intention: what is for the good of the Cebuano cinema.
Sayang ang Cebuano cinema if we don't bring it back to the memory of Cebuanos.
you know, if you don't speak English, if you don't speak Tagalog, you will watch a Cebuano film. That's why they were so popular. It was home. It was comfort.